Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Pipedrive team accounts with permission checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Select team from the drop-down menu to access team account settings. Click on users to view all team members currently added to your Pipedrive account. Locate the user account you wish to authenticate. Click on the user's name to open their profile settings. In the Profile settings, find the Permissions tab. Here, you will see various permission categories such as deals, contacts, and activities. Review each category to understand the current permissions assigned to the user. To authenticate access, compare these permissions against your organization's policy requirements. If adjustments are necessary, click on the Edit icon next to each permission category. Modify the permissions as needed by checking or unchecking the relevant boxes. Once you've made all necessary changes, scroll down and click Save. After saving, verify the changes by navigating back to the users list. Select the user account again to ensure the updated permissions are displayed correctly. Additionally, you can set up permission checks through the API for more advanced control. To do this, access the API documentation available on Pipedrive's developers portal. Generate an API token from your account settings for authentication purposes. Use this token to create permission checks in your application or software. Implement the necessary API calls to validate user permissions programmatically. Check the responses to ensure users have the correct access based on their roles. By following these steps, you will successfully authenticate Pipedrive team accounts with proper permission checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.